You have moods, and music can make you feel a certain way, or you might listen to a certain music for how you're feeling. Piano, as far as just the beauty of an instrument, either that or the viola, but I just think there's a lot of emotion attached to music, especially the people creating it. But I like a very wide range of music. Piano to start, and then I kind of moved towards rock and eventually into electronic and producing stuff in a studio. So that's what drew me to that side of the music industry, was anybody could do it. Anybody with a laptop can do it. So, what better thing to do than go learn how to become a recording engineer. The technical creativity, I would say. I definitely enjoy the technical. Making the music, adding all the effects, manipulating the sounds. You get to be very free, very creative in that space where you're working. So when I take that mindset that I'm working with in audio and I move it over to dentistry, how do I mimic nature? So you're going back into those small details. What am I seeing in this? What colors? What do you see in nature, in a natural tooth? And then you have to somehow mimic that synthetically. And I think being able to digest and analyze music has crossed over and give me the same depth to look at things, but in a totally different perspective. My personal goal is, and I know it's the goal of the family and the practice, is just to create excellence and deliver excellence, to give somebody a smile that they're gonna love, that's gonna change their lives, that's gonna make them happy, raise their self-esteem. We just wanna create something that they absolutely love.